What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're gonna put to the test bunch of kitchen gadgets. Let's revisit them, get different view a little bit, see how they work, what do I think about it. First of all, then this one right here, like a nail shape little tool. Check this out. So we plug this in onto the coconut like this. Oh, it's too bright. There you go. And then we're going to line this up with that. Just like that. It looks like a nail. And then we're just going to hammer it in. And then take it out. How do I take out this stuff from it? It's supposed to have a straw or something. Okay, we spit it out. And then we plug this back in. And let's see, I need a cup. And then you pull the stuff out. Oh, you know what I forgot? We need a secondary hole, so that way we have a really nice flow. So you put it in, line it up. Ah! Fail, no fail. We're gonna keep it in. And then we have a... oh. This one got stuck. We need something to pull it out. Anyways, then we have a really nice floor pour. I like it. And then there's another way to do it. My favorite is this one right here. You just go in there like this and open all up, all the way around. There you see how it dug in really good. And then all we have to do is just pull this out. Get a handle and boom, we have right here a cup. We don't need a cup. Beautiful. Okay, next, this little wine openers. First we have foil cutter, take it off. Then you have needle, and it's a pump, just like a needle inside, a needle pump inside. And all we have to do is just push it to the bottle and pump it. You know what? Where's my safety? Clean up the safety. What do you guys think about uncut kitchen gadgets? Boom, pump and pop. Love it. So then we close this back up, ready to go, and it does not open. So I also have a different kind. I might kind of like the other one better. Let me just say use this by just stuffing them back in. I'd say it's pretty sealed, right? So ooh. Anyways, it's pretty sealed. It has a little hole in it. But I don't want to waste another bottle. So comes with all this cool stuff, foil cutter and all that. But this one have a safety out here for the needle. I kind of like that. In case it came off, I will not hurt myself. You see? If I like by mistake take it out and pop it out. So might be better. Pump it out and then hold this right here so the cork will not pump out as much. Boom, nice. And then we can just pull this cork out. Whoa. And then we have the cork. Put it away. Stand alone like that, I guess. Kind of cool. Different. Which one do you guys like better? Save it for the next video. Okay, next I got right here egg slicer, and that thing went viral on TikTok multiple times. Well, not just TikTok, Facebook. Facebook demonetized me because they identify your identity. So I think after 30 days to 90 days they will rebuild my channel, but it's annoying. So first of all, we peel the eggs. Do we need a egg peeler? I think we're good so far. I might need a egg peeling gadget. I think I have one over there. There's an egg peeling gadget over there on the floor. Let's start. Do it by hand. Not bad. What is it, like maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds. There's an egg gadget right here to peel an egg. You stick an egg right here, still an egg right here, and it doesn't work. Alright, what else we got? maybe like the trick is of peeling an egg is super easy. When you boil your egg, you know, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, depends how hard boiled do you want it or soft boil. Then right away you put it in the sink and cool it with ice instantly, and then somehow the eggshell will separate. Also, I'm gonna cut this egg straight in half like this, and I'll put it the cut vertical and stick it into this thing, and then we're gonna do the magic. Slice it and dice it. Look at that, that's satisfying. And this is what we got. We have right here sliced up egg, very good. We have right here quarter eggs, very good. And then flip this over and kind of lift it up, and all the egg will come out, and it's a diced egg. And that's why I cut it in half, so that way I don't have long pieces, but very many little pieces. Okay, let's see what else I have. I think I need some tomato gadgets. There's some very unique bottle, like bottle spoon feeding things, and a couple other things, and we're done. Oh, 5 more things. Let's check it out in a sec. Okay, couple more gadgets. Check out this mixing. Okay, couple more gadgets. Check out this mixing tool. So, kind of like a vintage design. Okay, I guess it's made for the eggs. Okay, let's do 3 eggs. So it's pretty reasonable, not too many, not too much. I mean, not too little. I don't know, can you guys see? Let me pull up the camera a little bit, and then we'll adjust it back up. Alright, and it goes like this. Oh, it works really good. Better than a spoon, don't need to plug in anything, it's off-grid. And I can hold it this way too. Great. I like it. Maybe we'll add on flour to see how it does. You know what? Let's put some flour in there, see if it mixes. I got right here this little gadgets. Push it off. Boom. And then drop it in. There's bigger ones. The smaller ones work really well. I know. Let's do one more scoop. Works every time so good. Don't have to level it, it's self-leveling. And mixing it really good. Maybe I should like sink it in a little bit. Other gadgets good. I don't know, I'd say it's amazing. We need a little bit of water because it's just eggs, and it's mixing really well. You know what, I'll get water in a second. I have right here another gadget. Life hack, how to open a soda. And non-spilling gadget right here. We'll just add on Fanta. Boom, check this out. If kids drops it, it's all the way to the bottom. It's spilling less. And if you drink some of it off, kind of hard to drink. That straw not long enough, keep spilling. This straw should be much longer, because what are we gonna do once we run out of it? Oh well, it's made for those little bottles. But it is a good idea. Oh, you know what? Because I didn't push the straw all the way down. Oh, I think I lost the straw now. I don't know. This kind of mess. There you go. Easy to reset it. Boom. And now not spilling anymore. So it's limited spilling, supposedly. But yeah. How about Fanta pancakes instead of water? That sounds like maybe good idea. And look, it's mixing really good. Satisfying. Okay, yeah, thumbs up for me, works really well. Okay, next. Oh man, I need more paper towels. How about toothpick dispenser? All you have to do is press this button. Let's see. And it's supposed to come up. Okay, there you go. Something not right here. You know what? Maybe too many toothpicks. But yeah, you add on toothpicks in here and the toothpicks fly out this way. So normally you just press it and toothpick comes out. It comes out. It works really good. But once in a while they fly out like that. That's why we need safety glasses. So toothpick dispenser. There you go. Okay, it works. Kinda works, kinda gets stuck. Next we got it here, little chopper. Safety is priority. Little chopper like this. Okay, I'm okay. And then we're just going to chop it in each line like this. And then we grab it, you see each piece is in sharp, beautiful, kind of thick, but maybe it will work for tomatoes better. But also talking about tomatoes, I have right here little tomato gadgets right here. Line them up in here, then you can put grapes, whatever you want to slice, and see what happens. That's like a whole uncut video. What do you guys think? I cut a lot of stuff out. 1, can you guys see? 2, there's little lines. 3, 4, and then everything sliced in half. If I want to do it in quarters, that'll be no problem. Just grab them and slice them. A bit juicy, but you know, you're not cooking unless you're making a mess. Okay, I have coconut thing right here. Boom, quartered, perfect for salad, whatever. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, really cool gadget right here. I think this is the last one, and we're gonna, oh, there's 2 more. We'll come back to the tomatoes. So you get something like feeding, something mushy like this. You fill it up. Oh, that's perfect, perfect fill. Then you, oh, you know what, I think I messed up. I think this actually unscrews right here. I always do that first time. So you want to keep that on a bottle, but you know what, for cleaning purposes, now you know, you could take this apart. Just don't do that whenever it's filled with stuff, because it makes a little bit of mess. Alright, that's it. And now screw this back on. I need more napkins. And then lift this up to remove it and just press it, and look at that. The food the food will load up, then you feed it, food will load up, and then spoon it, so you don't have to even dip it. You just refill it with the baby food, squish it, and it will pour it in there. How cool is that? Let me do a close up. I know it's probably not focused, but yeah, there you go. You see? Feed it, keep going. That's hilarious. I love that. Alright, one last gadget, then I have to do cleaning. You have to, guys, thumbs up this video. Look what I have to do. So you line this up. If the tomato is a bit bigger, you don't do the corner of it. And I think this kind of full. Let's see. Okay, maybe you could do the corners. Okay, and then you just grab a knife and slice them, just like that. And boom, all your tomatoes are halved tomatoes. You cannot quarter them, but you can half them easily. So cool little gadget. The other one has more utility because you can quarter them. So that's it. Revisit of some of the kitchen gadgets. Let me know in comments below, what do you think. I need a clean up crew now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.